Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900, three-door classic Silverado that presents well, runs strong, and drives smoothly. It has 184,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine that starts easily and shifts smoothly through all gears. Finished in a beige exterior with a clean interior for its age, this truck has been well maintained and remains solid and dependable overall. It comes with good tires, a smooth shifting transmission, and an interior and exterior that have been kept in nice condition over the years. With its strong performance and classic Chevrolet styling, this Silverado is well suited as a daily driver, a capable work truck, or a clean classic Chevy to keep and enjoy. Number 2. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has 250,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck features a silver exterior that still presents nicely, complemented by a clean black interior that adds to its classic and timeless appearance. Everything on the truck functions properly, with no known mechanical issues or leaks. It has recently been fitted with new tires, ensuring a comfortable and reliable driving experience. The vehicle also passed smog inspection earlier this year without any problems, reflecting its solid running condition. With a clean title in hand and no immediate maintenance needed, this Chevrolet 1500 is a dependable and honest truck that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 3. 1998 Ford F150, price $3,900. It has only 130,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a reliable 4.2L V6 gasoline engine, and 2WD. Finished in white with a beige interior. The truck runs strong, shifts smoothly, and has been well maintained for its age. It presents as a solid and dependable vehicle, making it a great option for a daily driver, a work truck, or a clean base for a future build. Both the body and interior are in good condition, all features function properly, and it drives very well. The frame is solid, and overall the truck reflects careful ownership. Older F-150s like this are becoming harder to find, especially with relatively low mileage and a desirable short bed configuration. Number 4. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800. This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission, a green exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. It features the reliable 5.7L 350 V8 engine combined with four-wheel drive, making it both powerful and dependable. The truck is a true head-turner and consistently receives compliments wherever it goes. While it is not a show truck, it is undeniably beautiful and has been extremely well cared for. The interior is immaculate, adult-owned, and shows little to no wear. It sits on like new tires all around, and the engine runs strong and smooth while the transmission shifts flawlessly. The frame is solid with no major rust issues, and everything functions exactly as it should. The truck has 146,000 miles and comes with a clean Ohio title in hand. Number 5. 2000 Ford F150, price $3,700, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 5.4L V8 gasoline engine with 121,000 miles. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, offering a classic and functional appearance. The truck runs strong, starts easily, and provides good heat, making it dependable for daily driving or work use. It is well equipped with power windows and power door locks, a trailer brake controller, and a 4x4 system that works exactly as it should, making it capable in various driving and hauling conditions. The truck also comes with an 8-foot bed, providing plenty of space for hauling and utility needs. The frame is solid with no holes or cracks, and the body shows only minimal rust. Due to its age, an e-check is not required. While the ABS light is currently on, the truck has newer brakes installed and stops smoothly and safely. Number 6. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,200, showing approximately 194,000 miles. It is powered by an automatic transmission and features a classic black exterior combined with a distinctive red interior. The truck runs and drives properly and has been well cared for over the years, with most of its components still remaining in original condition. It is equipped with a new JVC radio for improved audio, while retaining its factory character. What makes this Sierra stand out is its completeness, as it still comes with the original service books, owner's manuals, and even the original window sticker, reflecting careful ownership and documentation. The vehicle is offered with a clean title in hand, making it a solid example of a well-preserved 1994 GMC Sierra 1500. Number 7. 1992 Ford F250, price $5,500, equipped with a 7.3L IDI non-turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, and 2WD. The body is in good condition for its age, and the frame is exceptionally solid. It runs and drives great with no mechanical issues and is ready for daily use. The truck currently has one fuel tank, with the second removed due to pump failure and rust, though it can be reinstalled. The factory fuel gauge does not work, but an aftermarket reader is installed. New blow plugs and relay ensure easy cold starts. Heat works, AC is original and currently uncharged. Additional updates include a Bluetooth radio, new brakes and rotors, new CDR valve, thermostat, fresh coolant, and fresh oil and filter. Steering has typical F-Series looseness but tracks straight, and it sits on M/T tires. Number 8. 1997 Ford F250, price $9,500. It has 189,000 miles and is powered by a 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck remains bone stock and has never been tuned. The only modification is a 4-inch exhaust system. The automatic transmission shifts perfectly, and the 4x4 system functions as it should. All major features are in working order, including heat, air conditioning, cruise control, radio, power windows, and power locks. The exterior is finished in black with a gray interior, and the truck has spent its entire life being used on a farm. The body shows typical wear such as small dings, dents, and scratches, but there is no major damage. Number 9. 1995 Nissan Truck, price $3,500, showing 173,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. It is finished in a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a simple and classic look. The truck runs well and drives smoothly, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a dependable work truck or a comfortable daily driver. Despite its age, the vehicle remains mechanically reliable. There are a few warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, however, they do not affect the way the truck drives or performs. It starts easily, operates as it should, and has proven to be consistent in regular use. The underside of the truck is dry, indicating no major leaks or issues underneath. Number 10. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $1,850. This truck has 138,000 miles and an automatic transmission, finished in red with a gray interior and powered by a gasoline 305 V8 that starts and runs strong. It is a long bed truck with a solid bed floor and a solid frame, with rust mostly limited to body panels. The dash is clean and uncut, all gauges and glass are present, doors and windows function properly, and it comes with a clean title. Typical GM rust is present on the rockers, cab corners, lower bedsides, and rear bumper. The tailgate is mismatched, blue, the seat shows smoke damage, the paint is old with scratches, and the interior is worn and dirty, reflecting normal age and use.